This channel earns $10,000 by making simple videos using free AI tools. Let's take a look at its stats. 25K subscribers and 5.5 million views. While similar channels with more views and subscribers earn much less. If you want the same success, don't skip. Stay tuned to learn the key elements of a viral video. I made this video in 20 minutes.
The kitten met the wolf, sensed something was off, grabbed the ice cream and dashed away.
Unlike the countless YouTube gurus out there, I'm committed to helping you build a channel that generates real income, even if you have no experience. In this video, you'll learn to create viral visuals with Piclumen AI, music with Suno, animate with Hailuo, and edit with CapCut for success. Grab my free Google Doc with the tools and prompts I use in this video on Telegram, link in the video description. Drop your questions in the comments, I'll reply to every one. Like and subscribe, let's go! Start by finding a video with the highest views from your competitor in the same niche. Analyze their video concept to get inspiration for the style and idea. Once you find a video you like and want to replicate, open it and take a screenshot. This will help us create the most accurate prompt for our photo and script. Then, go to ChatGPT. If you don't have access to the Pro version, there's a free alternative called Poe. On Poe, upload a screenshot of your competitor's video, then go to Google Docs and copy the first prompt. Paste it into Poe AI. You can customize it by adjusting the number of images you need and the number of characters per image in the video. I'm just providing an example, so I'll leave it with 8 photos. The AI will generate a detailed and tailored prompt for creating visuals and script. Now, let's bring those prompts to life with Piclumen AI. Head over to the Piclumen AI website and click Launch App. If you're new to the platform, sign up. It's quick and easy. Returning users can log in with Google or Apple to jump right in. Once you're in, click Create. Select your model and choose Flux Schnell for the best results. Don't forget to adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9. Next, set the number of images per session, and you're good to go. Now, head back to Poe and copy your first image prompt. Return to Piclumen AI, paste it into the prompt field, and hit Submit. To make sure your images stay consistent throughout the video, click on one of the images to access its details, find the seed number, and copy it. Now, go to the Advanced Settings, click on Fixed, and paste the seed number in the box. Then, go back to Poe AI, copy your second image prompt, and repeat the process in Piclumen AI. Once again, paste the prompt and hit Submit. Piclumen AI will generate another image that matches the first one perfectly. Repeat these steps to generate all your images, download them, and watch your viral masterpiece come to life with seamless consistency. Remember, visuals are key to capturing your audience's attention, so take your time to perfect this step. Before animating your images, you'll need a separate animation prompt. Return to Poe and paste the next prompt from the Google document, link in Telegram. Now that you've prepared everything for animating your images, it's time to move on to Hailuo and bring them to life. To get started, head to the Hailuo AI website and click Sign In. Click Create to proceed to the generation page. Set the old model because it works better, and then click Upload New Image to upload your first image. After that, go back to Poe, copy the animation prompt for the first image, and paste it into the prompt field on Hailuo AI. Click Create, and Hailuo AI will start generating your video. Premium users can queue up to 5 images at a time, while free users are limited to 3. The videos have a watermark, but don't worry, we'll fix that during the video editing step. Once your videos are ready, upscale them to make them truly stand out. To begin enhancing your videos, visit CapCut by following the link in the Google document. Once on the website, navigate to Magic Tools and scroll down to find Video Upscaler. From there, upload your video, and once it's uploaded, simply click Upscale and let CapCut do its magic. After it's finished, click Export and then Download to save the enhanced version to your device. Repeat this process for all your videos to make sure they look as polished and high quality as possible. Now, go to 11 Labs to voice your script, log in, and go to Text-to-Speech. Select the voice you like. This is a very important step, so make sure to spend some time on it. Listen to several voices and choose the one you like the most. I'll choose this one. You can also adjust it, but I'll leave everything as is. Now, paste the script and click Generate Speech. In a few seconds, you will get your voiceover. Download it and move on to the next step. Before we edit our video, we need music and sound effects. I'll show you 2 ways to get music. The first way is easier, but the second will give you a unique melody. For the first way, go back to Poe and paste the prompt from the Google document. Once you get the keywords for searching music, go to the Pixabay website. Here, you will find everything you need. Select the music category and paste the keywords into the search bar. Browse through the results and choose music that you like. Remember, it should reflect the mood of your video and is one of the main elements. The next method is to create music yourself. But don't worry, it's much easier than it seems. Go back to Poe, copy the music genre you like, and go to Suno AI. If you don't have an account yet, signing up is quick and easy. After logging in, click Create. To access the music creation interface, switch to Custom mode, paste the music genre you copied and click Create. In just a moment, Suno will generate 2 tracks based on your input. Listen to both options, pick your favorite, and download it. The last thing we need is sound effects. Go back to Poe and paste the final prompt. Poe will provide you with keywords. Copy them and return to the Pixabay site. Now, select the sound effects category and paste the keywords into the search bar. Browse through the results and choose the sound effect you like. Now, once everything is ready, we move on to the final step: video editing. Open CapCut, click on Import, and voila! Your asset will appear neatly in CapCut, all set and ready to go. Now, drag your file to the timeline to get started. As promised, let's go ahead and remove the watermark from the video. Select the video clip on the timeline and click on Resize. Stretch the video slightly so that the watermark is no longer visible. Repeat this process with each video. Now, let's add transitions to make the video flow more smoothly. Click on Transitions and browse through the available options, selecting the one you prefer. For this type of video, I recommend choosing transitions from the Overlay section, as they tend to work best with this style. Drag and drop your selected transition between the first and second clips. To keep things dynamic and engaging, I'll choose a different transition for each clip. Feel free to experiment here, because the key to success on YouTube is creativity. The next step is to drag our audio onto the timeline, increase the zoom, and trim all pauses to make the video more dynamic. Next, it's time to add some background music to enhance the mood of your video. Simply drag the music track to the timeline and cut it at the point where your video ends. Now, click on the music in the timeline and lower its volume in the right corner to make sure it doesn't overpower the dialogue or other sounds in your video. Next, drag and place the sound effect on the timeline at the specific moment where it's needed. Don't forget to cut it to match the timing and lower its volume as well. The effect should complement the video, enhancing the mood without dominating it. Feel free to experiment with additional effects if you'd like to take your video to the next level. CapCut offers a variety of fun and free options. Go to the Effects tab, choose the one that suits your video's vibe, and add it to the timeline, making sure to synchronize it with the moment you want it to appear. While I'll skip this step for now, it's worth exploring if you want to add a little extra flair. Now, let's make everything look even more polished and professional. To do this, select a filter that suits the mood of your video, like this one for example. Drag it to the timeline and stretch it to cover the entire length of your video. Once added, adjust the filter's intensity. I recommend around 50 to 60%, making it look even more engaging. Finally, export your video.
The kitten met the wolf, sensed something was off, grabbed the ice cream and dashed away. A narrow alley gave the kitten a chance to hide, where it found a map and set off on a new adventure. The map led to a forest full of magic and danger. The kitten found the treasure, but the wolf was close behind.
If you're looking for more inspiration and untapped niches with great earning potential, be sure to check out these videos.